Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my review and unboxing for Ipsy, and on the bag this month it says, "And off she went to change the world." And the little zipper is a star, so I think that's cute. And it feels very heavy this month, so let's see what's inside. We have Curl Imperial High Definition Curling Mascara. There's a little sample of that. I haven't been having very good luck with mascaras lately, so I'm hoping this one's pretty decent. Interesting little wand. So I'm excited to give that a try. Also have Bubble Tea Bath and Body Lemongrass and Green Tea Stimulating Body Lotion. Well, that sounds interesting. Fresh lemongrass and green tea infused with lively lemon zest and citrus elements. But that smells really good. I love anything citrus or lemon. Yeah, that has a light lemon scent to it. So that's awesome. Also have Lip Luster by Ciate London. It's a really pretty shade. Just like a gloss, which I like. I like a little bit of pigment, but not necessarily like lipstick. Next up, we have Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy. And this is a little heavy. That's probably the weight I'm feeling. This is Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Oh, that's a cool little container. It's like rounded. So it's a little sample size of that. And then of course we have the card in there. It's National Women's History Month. Oh, so they actually show you? Huh. So they haven't done that before. Like Birchbox will tell you the list of products, but this time they actually sent some more information about it with some tips on there. I like that. I hope they keep that up. I feel like that's really helpful. Because sometimes I'm just like, what is this? You know, it doesn't always tell you on the product how to use it. So, very cool. If you guys want to sign up for Ipsy, it's only $10 a month, and I will put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.